This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your WordPress admin and going straight to Appearance. First, check Customize for a footer panel. Many themes expose footer settings there. Once done, open Theme File Editor and look for Footer. PHP under Theme Files, that's the canonical footer template. If you use a child theme, make sure to inspect both child and parent folders because the child can override the parent. This gives you the exact template and the first place to make safe edits. Next, you verify whether widgets or plugins control the footer. Go to Appearance right arrow widgets and look for footer widget areas or block-based footer sections. Move or edit content right there. At the same time, review active plugins for footer injection. Performance, analytics, or page builders often add markup. Once done, use your browser's inspect tool to identify hook names, container ID, or classes, so you know whether editing template files or removing a plugin is the correct path. Finish by making changes safely. Add edits to a child theme's footer. PHP or inject CSS in Customize to avoid losing work when the theme updates. After saving, purge caching plugins and CDN caches, then test the footer on multiple devices to confirm layout and links. If the footer still doesn't appear, switch temporarily to a default theme to isolate theme conflicts, and deactivate plugins one by one to locate the culprit. This troubleshooting step usually reveals where the footer was removed or overridden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.